Right now, there is a service category that barely exists at the freelancer level. No crowded market, no established competition, no expensive software required to get started. Google just confirmed a quantum computing breakthrough that puts a real deadline on something every small business owner is going to need help with inside the next 2 years. And by the end of this video, you are going to have a complete framework for building that service using tools you can access for free today. Stay with me because in about 3 minutes, I am going to show you the exact free tool workflow that lets you build a professional client deliverable around this with zero technical background. And a little later, I am going to walk you through what that conversation looks like when you bring it to a local business owner who has never heard any of this yet. My name is Paul James. This channel exists to show everyday people how to use free AI tools to build real service income without expensive software or a background that impresses anyone at a dinner party. When I was starting out, working from my brother's garage, trying to figure out how to compete with people who had way more resources than me, I would have done anything for a signal this clear and this early. So let me give it to you straight. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Let me give you just enough context on what Google confirmed so the opportunity makes complete sense. Quantum computers work differently from any device you are using right now. Instead of processing information as simple zeros and ones, they use units called qubits that can hold multiple states simultaneously. That gives them the ability to crack calculations that would take a normal computer millions of years to complete. The problem that has held quantum computing back for decades is that qubits are extraordinarily fragile. Minor interference from heat or vibration corrupts the entire calculation. Scientists knew that grouping qubits together could help them catch each other's errors, but nobody could prove whether scaling those groups up would actually reduce mistakes or create more of them. On February 9th, 2026, Google settled that question. They ran tests on qubit grids at 3 by 3, then 5 by 5, then 7 by 7. Every time the grid grew, the error rate cut in half. That result means building a fully functional quantum computer is no longer a science problem. It is an engineering problem, and engineering problems get solved on predictable timelines that your business can plan around. Here is where things get interesting for you. One of the earliest practical effects of quantum computing reaching maturity is that the encryption most small businesses currently rely on becomes vulnerable. The security protecting client records at your local dentist office, accounting firm, real estate agency, or law practice is built on a type of math that quantum computers will eventually break. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, which is the government body that sets official security guidelines in the United States, has already published new quantum-safe standards in response to exactly this kind of progress. Most small business owners have no awareness of any of this. Most freelancers and consultants serving those businesses have never brought it up. That gap between what is coming and what local businesses currently understand is where your service business lives. I want to give you a framework I call the signal gap method. The core idea is this. Every major technology shift creates a window where the reality of what is changing moves faster than mainstream business awareness of it. During that window, the person who shows up with a clear explanation and a simple action plan becomes the most valuable person in the room. Not because they are the most technically qualified, because they are the clearest and the earliest. Google's quantum computing confirmation just opened one of those windows, and right now it is wide open. Stay with me because this next piece is exactly what you came here for. Here is the actual workflow using free tools you already have access to. Open Gemini, which costs nothing, and ask it to explain quantum computing encryption risks for small businesses in plain conversational language. Then ask it to summarize the new government encryption guidelines in 3 points that a non-technical business owner can immediately understand. Then ask it to generate an audit checklist of questions a consultant would use to evaluate a small business's current data security setup. Inside of an hour, you have the raw material for a professional client-facing document that looks like something an agency charged thousands to produce. Take that output into Google Docs or Canva and format it as a clean one-page brief. Keep the language simple. Keep the tone calm and helpful rather than alarming. Title it something straightforward like what Google's latest update means for your business data and 3 steps to get ahead of it. Add your contact information. That document becomes your conversation starter with every local business in your market. Most people never realize this part. The document itself is not what gets you paid. The conversation it opens is what gets you paid. When a business owner receives something timely, clear, and relevant that nobody else has ever brought to their attention, you become the trusted voice in that relationship before a single invoice is sent. That positioning is worth far more than whatever you charge up front. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. I spent a long time thinking I needed to be the most technically qualified person in any room before I could offer a service. What changed for me was realizing that small business owners do not hire the most qualified person. They hire the person who made them feel most understood and most prepared. Gemini and ChatGPT let you manufacture that kind of clarity around almost any emerging topic in a fraction of the time it used to take. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me paint you a picture of how the signal gap method plays out in practice. Imagine you do basic administrative support or social media work for local service businesses. No IT background at all. You see Google's quantum computing announcement, spend 90 minutes inside Gemini building that one-page brief, and send it to your existing clients with a short personal note explaining why you thought it was relevant to them. Some of them respond with questions. You offer a short consultation call to walk through their current setup and explain what they should be thinking about over the next 2 years. You charge a modest flat fee for the call and outline a simple ongoing service to help them prepare their systems before the timeline hits. A couple of those calls turn into retainers. You did not learn quantum physics, you learned how to use a free AI tool to build a credible conversation that nobody else in your market was having yet. That is the signal gap method doing exactly what it is designed to do. Here's the twist almost nobody is talking about. This window has a real expiration date. Right now, the mainstream consulting world has not mobilized around quantum readiness for small businesses. Big agencies are not pitching this to local clients yet. The gap between what is coming and what local businesses know about it is still wide enough for a solo freelancer with a free Gemini account to walk in and be the most informed person in the room. That changes as the story spreads. Getting in before the crowd is not a minor advantage. It is the entire advantage. The content side of this is equally wide open. Quantum computing education aimed specifically at small business owners barely exists on YouTube, in newsletters, or in podcasts right now. If you start building content in this space this month, you are stepping into a room with almost no other voices. Audiences in uncrowded spaces grow fast when the content is clear and practical. Picture what your client list looks like 30 days from now if you spent this week sending that one-page Gemini-built brief to 10 local businesses in your area. You do not need a perfect pitch. You need a timely, clear, relevant document and the willingness to show up before everyone else does. That combination is still available right now. It will not be available at this level of openness for much longer. Google's quantum computing result is not just a headline for tech enthusiasts, it is a timing signal for anyone building a service business. The freelancers and small agency owners who recognize it that way and who use free AI tools to act on it right now are going to own a market the rest of the world has not discovered yet. That is not a prediction. That is just how early positioning works every single time a major shift happens. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. The window's open. Move while it still is.